Good morning, all of you. Today, my topic is basic concept of laser and its application. It is in syllabus of BSc third semester. Now, we are come on the first slide, that is introduction. Introduction means what is laser? Laser is a light which is short form of light amplification by stimulated emissions of radiation. It is the greatest invention in 20th century. It is theoretically proposed by Albert Einstein in 1947, but it's experimentally proposed by M. Lehman in 1960. Now we come on the properties of laser. Laser light has two main properties, that is monochromatic and coherence. Now question arises, what is monochromatic light? In the first image we can see that when white light passes through a prism, then it divided into the several colors. It means the white light is made with the help of different or many colors. Colors means in science is wavelength. So then we can say that the white light is made with the help of several colors. That is known as the non-monochromatic light. But when we come on the second picture, we saw that the many different color of light passes through the two separators. In last we get a single color light. It means a light which has single wavelength, and this light is known as the monochromatic light. Second question is, what is coherence? Coherence means two light waves which have same amplitude, same frequency, but they have constant phase difference. These two lights are known as coherence light. Now we come on the principle of laser action. In laser action there are three main principles. First is the absorption, second is the emissions, and third is the population inversions. And in another word, we can say that first is the pumping, second is the population inversion, and third is the emissions. In first picture, we know that every atom belongs in the ground state, but when it absorbs some energy, it becomes excited. The process of excitation of ground state atom is called pumping, and when the number of atoms in the excited state is greater than the number of atoms in the ground state, this condition is called population inversion. One thing you can note down, that when the material is achieved the population inversion, after that it is possible to create the emissions. Here, when the atoms in the excited state, then it come back to the ground state. It is by the two types. One is spontaneous and second is stimulated. When atoms directly come from excited state to the ground state and release some energy, then this is known as the spontaneous emission. But when atoms come to the metastable state without release of any energy, in metastable state, when it absorbs some energy and comes to the ground state and release the modified form of the absorbed energy, then this process of emission is called stimulated emissions. Now we come on the types of laser. On the behalf of states of matter or property of materials, we can characterize laser are five types. First is the gas laser, liquid laser, semiconductor laser, solid state laser, and fiber laser. There are some pictures are working of the laser in the different solid, liquid, gas, and semiconductor laser. Now we come on the applications of laser. Lasers are more wide area of applications, like as in the medicine or medical industry, in the communication, in the industry. Industry means technology or industries. Third, in science and technology, means research field, and fifth is in the military, that means the defense sector. Now we come on the laser is used in the medicine. In first picture we saw some moles present in the body, and its removal from the treatment is very difficult and very painful. But if we use the laser light for the removing of these moles from the body, then it helps us the painless and bloodless surgery. It means laser light in the medical industry is responsible for the bloodless and painless surgery. It is also used to destroy the kidney stones. It is also used in the therapy of cancer. It is also used for the eye treatment. It is also used in the form of endoscopy. Endoscopy is a very important thing for the heart detections. It is also used in the liver and lung disease. It is also used in the internal structure of microorgans. It is